Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Apple Journal and signing in. This links entries to your iCloud automatically. Once done, enable microphone or location if you plan to capture voice notes or places, because those extras enrich context later. Now tap New Entry and pick Mood or Tags. This organizes thoughts for retrieval. Make sure to set the date and time if you're backfilling past events. Otherwise, the current timestamp is fine. Start typing a focused first sentence to anchor the entry. Now expand the entry by adding photos, videos, or a short voice memo. Multimedia anchors memory and makes entries searchable. Once media is in place, structure the text with headings or bullet lists so your future self can skim. This also helps the app analyze content for suggestions. Use tags consistently and duplicate a template for routines like weekly reflections. By organizing each entry the same way, you train the app's suggestions and make retrieval fast when you search later. Finish by reviewing entries with search, tags, and the timeline to spot habits and patterns. This is where journaling becomes insight. Export selected entries as PDF or text for offline backup, and verify iCloud sync completed before deleting local drafts. If entries don't appear on another device, first toggle iCloud sync for journal and wait a minute. If that fails, sign out and sign back into your Apple ID to force a refresh. Contact Apple support only if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.